It's Raining Cats and Dogs by M. Drew. Illustrated by Margarita Grasso. Read by Miss Jill. My grandpa says that in his town it's raining cats and dogs. He says the storm is on its way. It starts with rolling fog. The sky grows dark and the fog moves in. It seems the storm is near. If cats and dogs will make you sneeze, beware and please stay clear. I see some tails peek through the clouds. This furry rain is fun. I hurry out to greet them all and hug them one by one. I bring them in and dry them off. They're scruffy, spry, and sweet. I give each one a special name. Meet Lady, Max, and Pete. My frisky friends all start to whine. Their bellies beg for food. So I fire up our backyard grill and serve lunch barbecued. With tummies full, we settle in, all cuddly on the floor. Warm doggy breath and kitty purrs, soft nuzzles, I adore. Their big wet kisses wake me up. My friends bounce up and down. I think it's time to take a walk and show them all around. The dogs all race to get outside. The cats decide to stay. They're comfy by the fire's blaze. They'll play inside today. The rain is falling softly down. It's just a drizzle now. No longer raining cats and dogs. The clouds don't bark or meow. I grin and walk with beaming pride, parading down the block. The neighbors look as we pass by. They smile, wave, and talk. Just then a mailman on his way comes whistling down the street. Oh, the dogs run off on their 4 legs, the mailman on his 2 feet. They'll chase that mailman out of sight. I cry, "Oh, please don't go!" They'll stamp him with their muddy paws, and they'll lick him head to toe. My friends ran off and can't be found. I've never felt so sad. I sit at home with tearful eyes, and I wait for Mom and Dad. When Mom and Dad walk in the door, they ask if I'm okay. I tell them all about the storm that poured down pets today. I sob in tears. The dogs ran off. I've searched the city through. They tell me, dogs are loyal friends. They'll find their way to you. Just then, we hear a bark so clear. A nose pops round the bend. My pups came back. The words are true. Dogs are a girl's best friend. They wag their tails and I squeal with glee and spread my arms out wide. I ask them, "Oh, won't you stay with me and never, never leave my side?" Now each and every happy room is filled with cats and dogs. We'd better hope for no more storms and no more rolling fogs. The end. If you want to be notified for when I post a new book, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, it's free.